Hey guys, it's Official K4G here. Welcome to our Enthusiast Gaming Build series, where we're going to be building a brand new computer for 2013. This will be a gaming computer. I'm here with Norman. And in this video series, we're going to be showing you exactly how to build a gaming computer once you've got all your parts ordered. We may also do a video showing you what parts to get with our recommendations. We've got all the parts laid out and we're ready to go.
Okay, so we're just going to take a quick look over the parts. We have our motherboard here, which is a Z77 MSI Asus gaming motherboard. It's USB 3.0, PCI Express 3.0. Pretty much mid to high range motherboard here. It's got some nice built-in connectors here, some USB 3.0, USB 2.0, 3 PCI Express slots, also mini PCI. There's the CPU slot, where you've got RAM over here and the chipset. Next we have some pretty much bog standard DDR3 at 1333 MHz. That's just some 16 gigs.
Just regular RAM.
Yep, we have a brand new Asus X-Fi sound card here, 7.1 surround sound. So that is going to take a lot of strain off the motherboard and, well, not strain necessarily, but it's going to sound a lot better.
Yep.
So next up we have the CPU, which was taken out of the old computer, which is an Intel i7-2600. Unfortunately not the K revision, but that's okay. Next up we have the Sapphire 7950 Dual X with boost. This is a 3GB latest AMD series card. I believe that is clocked at 925 MHz.
Yeah.
Next up we have a brand new Kingston HyperX 240GB SSD with write speeds and read speeds around 500 megabytes.
Here's the box for that.
Yep, there we go.
It's in the light.
510 and 555.
Yep.
Okay, then we have 3 hard drives, Western Digital, got terabyte and 2 500 gigabytes there. So that's just...
Yeah. That's from the old
that's your
computer.
standard hard drives there.
Got some dust on here.
Next we just have a bog standard DVD rewrite drive. Then we have the Zalman Z10 CPU cooler with the crappy thermal paste which comes with it removed because we have Arctic Silver. Yay. So yeah, I'd recommend removing thermal paste that comes pre-applied and applying your own third party. Now we have the power supply, which is a 750 watt.
Unfortunately not modular.
No, not modular. I think it's bronze certified.
It's okay.
Okay, next up is the case, the Phantom NXCT. Phantom 630, which is a high performance full modular case. It's a full tower. Comes with pretty much all but one fan pre-installed and a built-in fan controller, USB 3 and 2.0, headphone and mic. You've got your fan controller here, power reset button, nice magnet swing open, and that is in matte black. Alright, so let's get putting this thing together.